Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 in Sonoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Using a 21mm socket, remove the nut and bolt head to release the leaf spring and shackle. Draw a line over the rear leaf spring shackle mount and cut along the line. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, paint the part with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Insert the leaf springs bushing according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. Push the part into place using the frame holes to help with the alignment. We recommend using C-clamps to hold the part in place. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part into place before welding it on fully. Finally, reinstall your leaf spring and shackle using a 21mm socket. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Then you're done!